In today's video, I'm going to teach you adding content to a Microsoft SharePoint Online web page, Office 365. We'll walk through how to add and format content on a modern SharePoint page so your site looks polished, informative, and easy to navigate. Start by opening SharePoint in your browser and signing in with your work account. Make sure you have permission to edit pages on the site you're working with. If you don't, you'll need to ask your site owner to grant you access. From the SharePoint homepage, navigate to the site where you want to make changes. You can pick it from your frequent or followed sites or use the search bar if needed. Once you're on the page you want to update, look to the top right and select Edit. This switches the page into edit mode so you can make changes safely before publishing them to everyone. On the left side of the page, you'll see a plus icon that lets you add a new section. Choose a layout that fits your content. A single column is great for simple, full-width content. 2 or 3 columns are perfect for placing items side by side, and specialty layouts help highlight key information. You can reorder or remove sections later, so don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. Focus on creating a clear structure. Inside any section, click the plus icon to add a web part. Web parts are the building blocks of your page. Common choices include text for paragraphs and headings, image for visuals, document library to surface files from a library, and quick links to point people to important resources. Pick the one that fits your message. A quick tip: less is more. Keep each section focused so your page stays clean and accessible. After you insert a web part, select it to open its toolbar and settings. For text, you can format headings, bold or italicize, add lists, and insert links. Use clear headings to guide readers and keep paragraphs concise. For image, choose a file, adjust the crop, and add alt text to make the page accessible to everyone. For document library, select the library or a specific view and fine-tune how items display, tiles, or list so it's easy to scan. For quick links, add your links, choose a layout like buttons or tiles, and give each link a short descriptive label. When you're happy with your updates, click Republish in the top right. That makes your changes visible to your audience. If something looks off afterward, just return to Edit, adjust, and republish again. With these steps, you can build engaging, well-structured SharePoint pages in minutes.